What's going on, fellow creatives? If you're new, welcome to the channel where you can see works in progress come to life and witness the true art struggle via the realest art vlogs on YouTube. If you're into any of that, please hit the subscribe button and welcome to the channel.
Record your message after the tone.
Y'all can pick up. I'm gonna hit you as soon as I leave studio.
What's up, guys? It's been a while. I bet you're wondering where I've been, or most likely you haven't been wondering at all, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. I've been on a little bit of a break. Got kind of tired of, social media. Kind of got tired of art in general, so took about a month or so off from making art content, and kind of just took some me time. Been playing a lot of video games. Started a video gaming channel. Check me out, Muddy Indigo channel. Do it. Link in bio. In this case, link in description below. Anywho, today I'm starting off a new series called the I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. It's basically like an art session series, and I'm just going to be working on this piece that has been dragging for like months on end because I keep leaving it and coming back to it, but it all fits in with the scheme of taking a break, I guess you could say. The name of this piece is going to be Self-Care, and that's kind of just been what I've been on. Self-care in the forms of, taking a break, hanging out, playing games, working on art at my own will. Let's get started. As you can see, it's pretty far along, but with that said, we're working on the beard today. The luscious beard that I guess I kind of have. The one in the drawing looks a bit more luscious than my real life beard, that's for sure. Looking for my ink marker. Been experimenting a lot with this guy. Just like mixing colors I've never mixed before. Like I threw in some dark blues in this beard, which is something I wouldn't have done 6 months ago or thought to do. And even now I'm like outlining with this blue ink pen. Just trying new things, not putting too much pressure on it. A lot of hairs on this mustache, that's for sure. Interesting way to start this series, that's for sure. I go on a hiatus and I come back and I'm like, hey guys, I'm about to draw a beard. Or detail a beard. Wonder how these details are showing up on camera. The gaming break has definitely created, or not created, but sparked some new ideas. During this break I've been messing around with Twitch, messing around with, making gaming content for YouTube around Red Dead Redemption 2. And it's caused me to, rethink the whole plan, or the whole idea behind this artist channel. And initially I was like, this channel is going to be, a place for like art vlogs and that kind of thing, but I felt like I was acting, or maybe not acting, but like definitely putting on a show, a bit of a scripted show of like, oh, today we're going to be having dinner and working on this piece, when in reality it was like, today I'm eating dinner, but I had been recording videos of this piece for the past week, and now they're getting spliced together, and you're seeing them as if they all happened in one night, you know, because I'm just living the artist dream when I'm really not. But I guess from streaming, I've kind of picked up on a few things, like, you know, just different forms of video. Right now, this is the first time I'm going to have picture-in-picture video, one pointed at my face so I could talk to you guys, one pointed at the desk that I'm working on, and I hope it comes out well. I think it will. I've got some ideas to improve the setup already, but don't have the equipment yet, but will very, very soon. For right now, we're just recording via iPhone and iPad. It ain't that crystal, but it's clear enough. Oh, it's quiet in here. Let me turn... I don't know what could get copyrighted on YouTube, so I'm just playing some vibey stuff for now. Chill study beats. Let's see what this is about. Let's vibe out as we work on our beard. But real talk, what have y'all been on? This may sound like a point where I'm just like, hey, comment on my video. That's because it is. We'll keep it real. Man, these lines are so thin. But that's okay. I hope they add a little hairy texture. I've definitely seen this technique used before. I don't know if I'm using it accurately, but it's working out for what I'm trying to do. Don't mind me eyeing my other camera. I'm not too sure what I'm hoping to get out of these sessions, but since I'm having the art session anyway, I figured I'd record it. Sometimes I wonder, like, what would it be like if Da Vinci was able to record his sessions? Or any of those dudes from back in the day. I feel like it'd be wild. Like, those dudes had big egos. Oh, okay. Is this just instrumental? That's the question. I'm not mad. It's looking like a lot of scratches right now. But I might go over it with brown again, see what that does. Actually, I'm gonna go over it with the thick marker too. I'm hyped. I know this monotone voice don't come off too hype, but I'm pretty hyped about how this piece is coming along. Every time I go back to it and I get back in, I'm just like, yo, I'm nice at this, yo. I don't know what you thought. But I'm nice out here. Beat make me want to freestyle. Ah, you thought I was about to. Shit, I might have though. I might have spit a hot 16. Nah, more like a hot 4. I probably got a hot 4 in me. The revival of the Muddy vlog turned into the Muddy sessions, or I don't even know. Maybe we'll just call this the self-care sessions till we finish this piece. Each piece gets its own session. Its own session episodes. All of that. And I know I didn't start from the beginning with this guy, but I'm sure most of you saw the progress on Instagram. Got the goatee down. Let's see. Look back at it. I'm not mad at this playlist at all. The wrist's getting sore out here. Let's see. I had to adjust the camera because I feel like this whole time it might have missed half the beard. Keep it curly out here. A lot of wrist flicks. Almost there.